So I just want to take a quick minute just to talk a little bit about what's included in the box. Obviously you have your either ii900 or ii910 unit. Both products come in this really nice Fluke branded hard plastic case. This is great for storage, industrial environments. You get 2 lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. Each battery will give you roughly 6 hours of battery life. They are smart batteries, so you can see how much of a charge you have on it. And of course, what you can do is you can charge the batteries on your desk at night. Charge time's pretty quick. You can charge both batteries at the same time. Don't have to charge it in the unit itself. And finally, you have a USB cable. This allows you to download the images, whether they're PDQ images or LeakQ images or video, doesn't matter. Download the images from the unit to your PC and either create a report or import them into one of our online calculators, either the LeakQ or the PDQ calculators, to start to increase your reporting. For more information on the ii910, please contact your Test Equipment Depot rep. I'm Adam Weiser with Fluke. Thanks for watching.